How to make a baby stop crying.
Tutorial. Get the sucker in the mouth.
Rub the belly and give her a lollipop. Oh.
Play some music while we're at it. I can't sing for this long. I gotta sing.
Wait, recording?
Here we go.
That's how you make a baby stop crying. That's our video. That's it.
Wait,
Oh,
hold on.
oh, please, up the butt. It's cold. The things are off, so you're not gonna have a good time singing that.
Let me catch them up. True colors shining through. Your true colors. That's where I'm at. So don't be afraid. What was it? True colors. Tell you that story. True
No.
colors. I'll tell you. Yeah, I have.
Oh, you have?
Hold on, you're beautiful. Oh, so true colors. Look at Lainey shining through.
You scared her earlier when you were yelling at the kids to not touch the bird.
So don't be afraid.
Oh, I should probably hold it this way. Don't stomp next to the baby, that's dangerous.
True colors. True colors. I need to have a stool to sit on. You're beautiful.
Looks like you put up your butt.
Clap, clap, all clap for me. You gotta be my audience.
Woo!